Hey everybody, it's me. I don't know if you can hear the lawnmower because my dad is cutting the grass. But today is Star Stable's birthday. When I first saw the news, I was like, may or may not have been jumping out of my bed. And it's hard to do that because I had to jump off the ladder. Okay, before actually on. Yeah, yikes, we have friends. I'm kidding. But yeah, so I thought it would be a somewhat good idea to film while half asleep in the lawnmower going on. Yay! But actually, we have questions. A lot of questions. Wow. So, also, I believe it's the 7th birthday. I don't know. I don't have my phone on me. I don't know where I'm going, but yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, also while I was running, I saw this thing, and it's freaking adorable. They're all over the place, and I'm surprised. Wow, this is my first year actually being on the birthday thing with Bobby, so all of this is just wow. Oh my god, this is... I have no words. Okay, I'm sorry. I just like shut up. But I literally actually have no words. Star Stable is turned 1 year older. Sorry, I don't like reading out loud. I'm sorry if you can hear the lawnmower. It's just... We're all a mess at my house, okay? Don't judge. But yeah, I'm going to text Brooke right now and see if she will get on here with me, and so we can do this both together. I don't know if it will happen or not. I failed. Okay, I think I can go. Say hi.
What? Hi.
Are you texting your mommy?
Yeah, she's like, I have to bring a crutch. Remember how I said I have to bring a crutch to the room? She's like, okay, you can't think of anything smaller?
No, I can't.
Mommy. I have Sharpie all over my hand and it like won't come off.
You have to use soap and you have to scrub it off. You can't just rinse it over.
No, hand sanitizer usually works, so I'm just covering it up with my nails. Look at my thing.
It just says, does that say E plus B?
No, it says T. It says M&M's, idiot. It says E plus T. Yeah, T. Tacos.
Sure, it says T.
Yeah, tacos. Yeah, I know. Is there birthday stuff we can get?
Yeah.
Oh, 2 and 4.
I believe it's their 7th or 8th year. I can't remember. There's my phone. Jesus! Why did you scream? Why did you scream? Why are you screaming? Yeah, it's their 7th year. Why are you screaming? Oh my god, there's a ball of, what are you? Headphones. Just like attached to another headphone. Attached to another headphone. Why are you looking at the camera like that? You look insane. Also, I'm recording recording, and the thing, my iPad's right next to the thing, and it's probably all the way up. So I'm sorry, headphone people. I don't.
Headphone users, rest in peace.
Yes, R.I.P. What? Are you home alone or something? Are you home alone or something? Pretty sure when I said they're gonna say no.
Huh?
I don't want your nasty braces all up in the camera. Jeez. You're nasty.
Thanks.
Is that your wax?
Yes.
It's like, okay.
If I can't, like, put on real things because I have braces, maybe I can use wax.
Oh my gosh. But it probably won't stay.
It probably will. If you just shut up.
If you just shut up and shove it in. Shove it in your mouth. Because it's wax. You nasty. Okay.
If I mold it onto my tooth, let it dry, and then put it back on my tooth, it'll probably normally stay.
You gotta love the Miranda voice.
What?
It's like you gotta love the Miranda voice.
Join Graceffa's, huh? Freaking minute. I need to watch Miranda's new video. She posted a new video. I
Yeah,
saw it
like
on
an hour ago. And I sent you the beginning of it.
I know, it was beautiful.
Yeah, I will leave you alone. Oh, I found one.
Where are you?
I'm in Morelands.
Where?
There you are.
Where was it?
It was, over here.
Oh. Oh, there's big sparklies around them.
There's a big sparkly.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Yeah, when I first read it, in my mind I was like, yippee! But yeah. There should be one over here for you, I don't know.
Yup.
And there should be one up here, I could be wrong.
Yes. Would there be one in the mine?
I don't know, I haven't checked. I don't think so, I could be wrong. All I know is that I checked when you were screaming and I ran.
I don't see how you level up all your horses so quickly.
Wait, who?
You.
It's because I race them almost all the time. But for the past few days, I've been lazy too. Yeah, there's none in here. Yeah, that's where people suspect them to be.
Wow, this is great. It's delicious.
Wow.
I found one.
Oops. Did I? I didn't get this one. I have 5. How much do you have? What's that?
We're on. Oh god, I gotta stack these.
Yeah.
4.
Oh, call for pickup because there's one there. AJ!
Taco, a cheeseburger, a Big Mac, 3 chicken nugget meals.
Yeah, I just had one snack. That was it.
A pizza.
I can think of all the junk food that you want that comes to your head. Oh, also, how are you liking your imposter taco? because it doesn't have meat on it.
It's not an imposter taco, it's a pizza roll.
Oh.
We'll call it an imposter taco.
I thought you decided.
I saw something really sharp and pointy, and I hope it wasn't a bracket.
I thought you got the imposter taco instead.
Why would I eat a taco without meat?
I don't know.
Did you not hear the whole conversation about me flipping my pizza rolls?
No, I wasn't listening.
I actually
They enjoyed this very boring video, and I'm bored.